Hello from Slovenia again. Every December it feels like, the whole world puts on running shoes and sprints from the store to store, hunting for that perfect Christmas gift. But today I wanted to whisper, hey, maybe slow down a little bit. Because sometimes the most beautiful gifts isn't hiding on a shelf, it's hiding in our own hands. So here I am again playing with the bloom technique. Yes, the one that tests my patience a lot and reminds me that fluid art is just a wild creature. I swear every time I think I nailed it, not today, but you know what? If I don't practice, I don't grow. So simple as that. And I kind of love that challenge. So for today's little project, I grabbed two MDF coasters, boards to create coasters, and a cute 12 centimeters. This is 5-inch box, nothing fancy, just wooden surfaces waiting for a bit of fluid art magic. And I chose bright colors today: quinacridone gold, iridescent gold by Pebeo, Amsterdam azo yellow medium, and Amsterdam red violet, and of course black and white cell activators for some lacing and some effects. And I did a puddle, blew the cell activator, and watched spin, and oh my god, those colors bloomed into these dreamy patterns, just gorgeous. I love all three pieces. And after I did the resin coat off camera, and show you the final resin results at the end, and they really look gorgeous. So don't forget to check the final result. And that's the part that I love the most from this project. This isn't just a gift. It's time, it's heart, it's energy, it's patience. It's the joy of creating something for someone special. A simple box became a keepsake, a coaster became a small piece of art, and suddenly you realize you didn't just make a Christmas present, you made a story, you made a memory. So yes, I'm still learning, still messing up, still pushing myself through this bloom journey, but every attempt brings something beautiful, and maybe this inspires you to try the same, to create, to play, to gift a little piece of yourself this season. So here they are, resin and beautiful. It's hard to show the shimmer from gold, but I like the colors. I like everything about this. This one is my favorite with this middle. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. They're really beautiful in real life. So yeah, it's a nice idea for the gift, a box, little box for, I don't know, jewelry or something, and 2 coasters to go with. So yeah, I'm really happy with these results. Tell me what you think about this one. Not 1, 3. And thanks for being here. And see you again on the next one. Bye.